We're facing off with a cow who's having a drink of water. He says, I'm not getting out your way, mate. But I'm saying, pal, you might have to.
You better bit the horn at him or something.
Okay, back off, boy. Back off. Back off. He's going. There we go. There's about 3 kilometres of good dirt road to get to the waterfall. Waterfall Creek can be accessed either from Boonah or Rathdowney in Queensland. You need to apply online for a permit to access one of 4 sites. Each site can take up to 12 people, whether they'd be in their own caravans, tents, motorhomes, or whatever. There are fire pits supplied, but no toilets and no water, because this is real bush camping. Beyond the causeway, the road goes steeply uphill and is only accessible to 4-wheel drive.
Kyle, that's when you're going that way, Kyle. You and Andrew.
Okay, this is the walk up to the actual waterfall. Yeah, well, you can see the waterfall from here.
Oh, you can too.
Yeah. There's a big swimming hole there under the waterfall. Get up into the ravine. We've got all this beautiful escarpment going all the way up.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
Hello, hey!
Yeah, keep going, you're nearly there.
Yes!
On the way up to the waterfall, it's possible to find a couple of rock pools that are very refreshing in the summer months.
A little bit of blue sky is brilliant.
Come on, Rob, you'll make it. You'll be right.
Struggling to get around, eh?
Okay, and now we've arrived at the waterfall, and this is the swimming hole. It's very deep too. Someone's been very adventurous on there, and you step down into the water, pretty much a bottomless pit. There's the falls over there. A little bit of grass struggling for life on the edge of the waterfall area. Under the waterfall itself, there's a rock ledge where you can park your bottom and sit right under the waterfall with it hitting you on the head. Very refreshing in summer. A number of weeks ago, a man and his 2 children took a long walk right around the top of the bluff, but got trapped when they ran out of daylight and rang for SES to come and rescue them. In failing light, the helicopter dropped some overnight bedding for them, and they spent the night really cold up on top of Mount May. Well, the water is quite nice and bracing today. It's going back the way we came. Not a bad walk, probably 100 metres, just a little bit of obstacle, that's all.
I wasn't going down there where you were, that was a bit bad. I don't have the best shoes on, but the best ones over here. What are you doing, mate?
I feel like Sir Edmund Hillary. There you go. It's best to make sure you've got your permit, because the ranger is supposed to come around every so often, although I've never seen him in my travels when I'm camping there. You'll find plenty of wildlife such as birds, kangaroos and a couple of goannas. Please don't feed the goannas or you'll encourage them all the more.